Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be unboxing and testing out my new Orphek filter lens for my S22 Ultra. Comes with the instructions manual, one cleaning cloth for your lens, a portable hard flex storage box, one plastic Orphek lens clip, and it features a rubber grip that can also protect your screen from scratch. One 15,000K orange filter with 37mm lens thread, one 20,000K yellow filter, one CPL filter, and one macro lens for close-up shots. Now let's go ahead and give it a test. think for the price, this Orphek filter lens build quality is great. I like the combination of yellow and orange output, even just the orange filter itself. It really filters out the blue colors and brings the true colors of your corals. The CPL can reduce the reflection but not that much in my room lighting condition, but it helps. For the macro filter, I think my S22 Ultra can do better quality shots without it. The macro lens produces more noise and degrades the image quality, which is expected, and the zoom range is pretty much the same when I use the ultra wide lens of my S22 Ultra. But if your phone doesn't have macro lens option like S22 Ultra, this is perfect for you. Overall, good quality lenses. I wish macro lens can improve more, but other than that, great set of filter lens, especially for reefers. The case is also a great addition to keep your lens from scratch and dust. If you're interested in this filter lens, I added the link in the description below. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified for my new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.